Hello children, today I am here to teach you chapter 28 in your syllabus, that's scale diagrams. In this lesson, we are identifying what a scale diagram is and then calculate the actual length of a rectilinear plane figure which has been drawn according to a given scale, and draw a scale diagram according to given scale when the actual measurements of a rectilinear plane figure are given. So you have done this in grade 7. So we are doing more in this year. Scale diagrams. So what are scale diagrams? When drawing figures, actual lengths cannot be drawn to the same measurement. For example, think about map of Sri Lanka. It's a big one. So can you draw that on a piece of paper? You can't do that. Or if it's a very small diagram, a cell. So you want to draw the cell into your book. So what we do? So you have to increase the size. So if the diagram is big, you have to reduce the size. So scale drawing is when there's a big one, you are trying to make it smaller. If you get a smaller one, you make it bigger. So these diagrams are called scale diagrams. So you have to increase the length or decrease the length according to a scale, to a ratio. Look at this one. Rectangular room is with length 6 meters and width 4 meters. Draw a scale diagram. So what we do? So we have to first think about the actual diagram. So sketch is, so this is 6 meter long and 4 meter width. So you can't draw this on a piece of paper. So we have to first take a scale. So we'll take the scale 1 to 100, 1 to 100. What it means? 1 to 100 means 1 centimeter represent 100 centimeters. When you divide by 100, you can convert to meters. So that means 1 meter. 1 centimeter represent 1 meter. So you have to convert all the actual measurements to the map length. So what is the map length or scale length? So this is 6 meters. So 1 centimeter is 1 meter. So how many centimeters we have to take? 6 centimeters. What about the map width? Map width is, actual length is 4 meters. So that means you have to take 4 centimeters. Now we can draw the scale diagram. So how we draw the scale diagram? You have to take the length 6 centimeters and 4 centimeters and draw a rectangle. So we'll take that. So we need 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So I'll write scale diagram now. We are trying to draw the scale diagram. So take the ruler and the compass. So first thing you can do, you can measure. Now you need 6 centimeter length. Here you don't need sometimes compass. You can take the set square to draw the perpendicular lines, as well as when you want to measure the length, you can use the ruler. So I'll just use the ruler today. Here 6 meters means 6 centimeters. So I'll draw a line segment that should be 6 centimeter length here to here. So 6 centimeter length. Then I need to draw 2 perpendicular lines. For that I can take the set square. I'll take the set square and keep on top of this line. Here, and now I need to measure 4 centimeter length. So I'll draw 4 centimeter length up to here. Then again I can keep the set square other way around. So I can make this down, and now I can measure 4 centimeter length here and draw the line segment. 4 centimeter up to here. Now I can connect this line with this one. So I don't need this now. So I can draw the line segment here to here. So this is the scale diagram. So here this is 90 degrees and this is 6 centimeter length and this is 4 centimeter length. You don't need the compass. So that's the scale diagram. Look at this question. Rectangular shaped sitting room is with length 8 meters, and width 6 meters. So they have given the scale. Take 1 to 100 scale and draw a scale diagram. So 1 to 100 means 1 centimeter represent 100 centimeters. So that means 1 centimeter is 1 meter. 100 divided by 100. Now we need to convert 8 meters. So what about 8 meters? That means you have to take 8 centimeters. So here this is 1 centimeter, 8 centimeters. If this is 6 meters, you have to take 6 centimeter length. So what's the scale length? 8 centimeters. I'll write here. And what's the scale width? 6 centimeters. Now we can draw the scale diagram. So what we have to do, you take the ruler and you need to measure first 8 centimeter length. So take the ruler and draw 8 centimeter length first. That's 8 centimeters. Now we'll take the set square and keep on top of this line like this, and you need to draw 6 centimeter length. So here to here, 6 centimeter length. Again, you can change the direction like this and keep the set square to this corner. And draw the 6 centimeter length from here. 6 centimeter length up to here. Now you can connect these 2 points with a ruler again. Here to here. You get a rectangular shape. So these are all 90 degrees because we use the set square. And this length is 8 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters. So this is the scale drawing or scale diagram. Length and width of the rectangular land is 12 meters and 8 meters respectively. So length is 12 meters and width is 8 meters. Use 1 to 200 scale and draw scale drawing. Okay, so 1 to 200 means 1 centimeter represent 200 centimeters. So that means when you divide by 100, you get 2 meters. So how we find out the scale length? 2 meter represent 1 centimeter. So 12 meters means you have to divide by 2. So that's 6 centimeters. How you find out the scale width? That's 8 meters divided by 2. You get 4 centimeter length. Now we have to draw a rectangular shape with 6 centimeter length and 4 centimeter width. So again take the ruler. You can measure 6 centimeter length. So we'll start from here to here. 6 centimeter length. Then take the set square and you can draw the perpendicular line. So you need to keep the set square on top of this line and draw the perpendicular line. So what's the width? 4 centimeter. So we'll take 4 centimeter length here and then keep the set square onto the other end and draw the other perpendicular line. So this is the point. Now draw 4 centimeter length. Draw 4 centimeter length here to here. Now you can connect with the ruler. So here to here. So that's the scale diagram. These are all 90 degrees. And the length we took 6 centimeters and here with 4 centimeter length. Draw a triangle PQR where PQ 3 meters and QR 4 meters and PR 5 meters using the scale 1 to 50 now. 1 to 50 and then measure PQR angle. So 1 to 50 means 1 centimeter represent 50 centimeters. So we'll take how many meters? Divide by 100. When you divide by 100, you get a fraction. Or you can write half centimeters here. You get half centimeters or 0.5 centimeters you can write. Now we know 1 centimeter represent 0.5 here meters. These two we convert to meters. So half meters and 0.5 meters because we converted to meters by dividing this one by 100. Now you need scale lengths. So we'll take the first one, PR. I'll take PR first. That's 5 meter length. 0.5 or half meter. Now we can easily convert this to other way around. So what is 1 meter represent? Without taking decimals, we can convert to 2 centimeters is 1 meter. 2 centimeter represent 1 meter. This is multiplied by 2. 2 centimeter means 1 meter. So what about 5 meters? 5 meters means you have to multiply this by 2. 5 times 2, 10 centimeters. Then what about QR length? QR length is 4 meters. That means 4 times 2, 8 centimeters. Then PQ. PQ is 3 times 2, 6 meters. Now first we'll draw the PR length. PR length here. So take the ruler. And we are trying to now draw the scale diagram. So we have to take 10 centimeter length. So I'll take here 10 centimeter length from here to here. That's PR. PR. Then you have to take 4 meters and 3 meter length. So that means 8 and 6 centimeters here. Also this is the scale. So this is 6 centimeters, not meters. Now we have to take the compass. So because we need to measure this one and draw an arc here and take the compass and measure the other length. So this time we need a compass to draw the 2 arcs. So take the ruler. Now what's the other length? PR we did. QR 8 centimeters. So take 8 centimeter length and you can draw the QR. QR means starting from Q, keep the compass on top of Q point. You can draw the arc somewhere here. That's QR. What's PR? PQ. What's PQ? 6 centimeter length. So take the compass and now you have to measure 6 centimeters. So 6 centimeters now. So here. Now we keep on top of the P point and draw the other arc. So the intersecting point becomes the other point. So that's Q point. Now you can take the ruler and connect P with Q and Q with R. So this is PQR triangle. So what are the scale lengths? PR is, this is 10 centimeters. QR is 8 centimeters and this is PQ is 6 centimeters. Now we need to measure PQR angle. For that you can take the protractor. So we have to measure this angle. So we'll take the protractor and measure this angle. So what you get here? What you get here to here? 90 degrees. So the angle PQR, this one is 90 degrees. PQR is 90 degrees. So this is a right angled triangle because one angle is 90 degrees. So this is taken from your textbook. The figure shows a sketch of a right triangular vegetable plot. Let us find the lengths of the boundaries of this plot in the scale diagrams which are drawn according to the different scales given below. Here different scales, 1 to 100, 1 to 200 and 1 to 50. So what we do? So 10 meter length here. So 1 centimeter, 1 to 100 means 1 centimeter represent 100 centimeters. So if this is 10 meters means 10 times 100, 1000. 1000 divided by 100, you get 10 centimeter length you need. 8 meters means 800 divided by 100, 8 centimeters. 600 divided by 100, 6 centimeters. These are the scale lengths. If this is this ratio, 2 meters means 1 centimeter, that means 1 to 200. 1 centimeter represent 200 centimeters. So you have to divide by 200. So 1000 divided by 200. So 5 centimeters you have to take. 800 divided by 200, that's 4 centimeters. 600 divided by 200, 3 centimeter length you have to take. If it's 1 to 50, so what it means? 1 to 50 means same as half meters to 1 centimeter. So you have to divide by 50 centimeters there. So 1000 divided by 50, you get 20 centimeter. 800 divided by 50, 5 and 6, 16 centimeters. 600 divided by 50, you get 5, 1 and for 10 that's 2. So you need to take 20, 16, 12 centimeters. So according to this one, which one is reasonable to draw on a paper? This is reasonable, 10, 8, 6. So 1 to 100 ratio is better than, this is 20, 16, 12 means you have to take bigger lengths. So this is a suitable scale, 1 to 100 there. Now we'll look at review exercise in your textbook. Write the scale given in each of the following parts as a ratio, representing 50 centimeter of the actual length by 1 centimeter in the scale drawing. So here that means we are taking 1 centimeter represent 50 centimeters. So for the scale drawing, to find out the scale, we are taking both centimeters. So this is 1 to 50 scale. Representing 2 meters of the actual length by 1 centimeter in the scale drawing. So 1 centimeter represent 2 meters of the actual. So convert to centimeters, that means multiply by 100. So 200 centimeters is 1 centimeter here. So that means what's the scale? 1 to 200. Representing 100 meters of the actual length by 2 centimeter in the scale drawing. So 2 centimeters represent 100 meters of the actual. So convert to centimeters, 100 times 100. So what's the scale? So here 2 centimeter represent 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000 centimeters. Now what about 1 centimeter? You have to divide by 2. So you get 5,000 centimeters. So what's the scale now? 1 to 5,000. Representing 1 millimeter of the actual length by 5 centimeter in the scale drawing. So this is smaller to bigger. So you have to take 5 centimeter represent 1 millimeter. Now convert to millimeters. Multiply by 10. 50 millimeters is 1 millimeter. Now the scale is 50 to 1. We are increasing the length, smaller one to a bigger one. A scale diagram drawn to the scale 1 to 200 is given here. Find the actual length represented by 1 centimeter according to the given scale. So 1 to 200. So what it means? 1 centimeter represent 200 centimeters. So what's the actual length for 1 centimeter? When you divide by 100, this means 2 meters. So 1 centimeter represent 2 meters in the actual length. So find the length and breadth of the actual figure. So what's the actual length? Scale diagram is given. So 3 centimeters. So 1 centimeter means 2 meters. 3 centimeter means 2 times 3, 6 meters. What's the actual width? Actual width or breadth? Breadth, that's 2 centimeters. So 2 times 2, 4 meters. Now we'll look at the next question. A sketch of the floor plan of a rectangular building is shown in the figure. So actual lengths are given. Write as a ratio a suitable scale to draw a scale diagram of this floor plan, and draw a scale diagram of the floor plan using this scale. So 20 meters are there. So if you take 1 centimeter, that's you have to take 20 centimeters if it's 1 to 100. So we'll take 2 centimeters, represent 10 meters, 1 to 200. If you take this one, because this is 20 and 15, divisible by 5. So we'll take, if it's 1 centimeter, represent 5 meters. What's the scale? If it's 1 centimeter means 5 meters, so the scale length becomes, you have to divide by 5. So here 20 divide by 5, you need 4 centimeters. Scale width or breadth, that's 15 meters divided by 5, you need 3 centimeters. So what's the ratio we used? 1 centimeter represent 5 meters means 1 centimeter represent 500 centimeters multiplied by 100. So that means the ratio we used 1 to 500 ratio. That's the ratio, and we'll draw the diagram now, scale diagram. Scale diagram. So we need 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So take the ruler and we can measure first 4 centimeter length. That's here to here. Then take the set square. Keep on top of this line and you can draw now. Three centimeter length. Here to here. Then again you can change this to upside down and draw the other side. Here you keep it here and draw the 3 centimeter length here. Now you need to connect the 2 points. Connect the 2 points here to here. So that's the scale diagram. So all these are 90-degree angles. So this is 3 centimeter and this is 4 centimeters. So this is a rectangular shape with length 20 meters, actual length 20 meters and actual width 15 meters. So according to this scale, this is 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter. So you can take, if you think this is too small, you can take 1 to 200 or 2 meters. If you are taking 1 to, I'll do it here. 1 centimeter represent 2 meters. That means 1 to 200 ratio. What are the lengths you get? You get 10 centimeter. So that means scale length becomes 10 centimeters and scale width or breadth becomes 15. Divide by 2, then you have to take 7.5 centimeters. So then this becomes 10 centimeter and 7.5. What's this ratio? 1 to 200. So you can take any scale. If you think this is too small to draw 4 centimeter and 3 centimeter, you can take this scale 1 to 200. Example number 1. A sketch of a triangular plot of land is shown in the figure. If a scale diagram of this plot is to be drawn to the scale 1 to 2500, find the length of each boundary of this plot in the scale diagram. So 1 to 2500. So what it means? 1 centimeter in the scale diagram, this one shows 2500 centimeters. 1 to 2500 means. So what's the length? This one. So I'll convert to meters first. So what is 1 centimeter represent how many meters? Divide by 100. 25 meters. So 25 meters is 1 centimeter. What is 200 meters? So you have to divide by 25. So 200 divided by 25. You get 8. So that means 8 centimeter length. 150 means 150 meters. Divide by 25. You get 6 centimeters. And 125 means divide by 25. You get 5. That's 5 centimeter. So these are the scale measurements. So what are the scale measurements you have to take? 8 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter lengths. By what length is an actual length of 250 meters represented in a scale diagram? which has been drawn to the scale 1 to 10,000. 1 to 10,000. So what it means? 1 centimeter represent 10,000 centimeters. So convert to meters, divide by 100. You get this means 100 meters. 1 centimeter means 100 meters. Now they ask what's the scale length if it's 250 meters. So 100 meters is 1 centimeter. So what's 250 meters? So we have to divide by 100. Divide by 10 and this is 2.5 centimeter. So 250 meter actual length you can represent by 2.5 centimeter length. Exercise 28.1. The sketches of the flow beds ABCD and PQRST are shown in the figure. Complete the table using the given information. So 1 to 1000. So 1 to 1000 means this is 1 centimeter, 1000 centimeters. So 1 means 1 centimeter means divide by 100, 10 meters. So that means you have to divide by 10. So 30 meters means you have to show with 3 centimeter length. 20 meters means 20 divided by 10, 2 centimeters. And 40 meters means 40 divided by 10, 4 centimeters. Now we'll take from here 30, 20, 40. Now 1 to 500 scale. So I'll put a small line here to represent. This is actually the first scale. And now 1 to 500. What is 1 to 500 means? 1 centimeter, 500 centimeters. So that means 1 centimeter represent 5 meters. You divide by 5. So if this is the scale, so 30 divided by 5, 6 centimeters. 20 divided by 5, 4 centimeters. And 40 divided by 5, 8 centimeters. That's the scale length if you take 1 to 500. If this is 1 to 10 scale, so what this means? 1 centimeter represent 10 centimeters. And these are in meters, so you have to divide this by 100. So 100 means divide by 100, you get 1 over 10 meters is 1 centimeter. That means 10 centimeters you can draw with 1 meter. 10 centimeter length with 1 meter. Now, if it's 20 meters, you have to multiply by 10. 20 times 10, 200 centimeters. 50 means 50 times 10, 500 centimeters. And this one, 30 meters means 30 times 10, 300 centimeters. That means the scale is not okay. We can't draw 200 centimeters on a piece of paper. So, according to this one, which one is suitable? This is like too small. This is the best scale, 648. But this is too big. So, 1 to 500 is the suitable one here. Look at this question. Write as a ratio the scale of 4 millimeters represented by 1 centimeter. So it says 1 centimeter represent 4 millimeters. And here, that means if you multiply by 10, 10 millimeters represent 4 millimeters. So what about 1 millimeter? Divide by 10, 0.4 millimeters. So what's the ratio? 1 to 0.4. So that means 1 centimeter means 0.4 centimeters. Now the measurements of small triangular opening which is to be drawn according to the above scale is given in the sketch. Find the length of each side of the triangle in the scale diagram. So we need 12 millimeters. So we'll take other way around. It's given these values in millimeters. 4 millimeters represent 10 millimeters. This one. So what about 12 millimeters? So 12 millimeters means you are dividing by 4 and multiply by 12. So 4 times 3, that means 30 millimeters. Or you can write divide by 10, 3 centimeters. What about 16 millimeters? 16 millimeters means 10 divided by 4 into 16. 40 millimeters, or you can write 4 centimeters. Then the last one, 8 millimeters. 8 millimeters means 10 divided by 4 into 8. That's 20 millimeters. That's 2 centimeters. So these are the lengths. 12 millimeters means 3 centimeter length. 16 millimeters we can take 4 centimeter length, and 8 millimeters we can take 2 centimeter length. Example number 1. The scale diagram of a flower bed ABCD drawn to the scale 1 to 500 is given here. Find the actual lengths of all 4 sides. So 1 to 500. That means 1 centimeter represent 500 centimeters, or we can convert to meters. So that means divide by 100, 5 meters. 1 centimeter represent 5 meters. Now we need to find out the actual lengths. So we'll find out first AB length. That's 3 centimeters. So that means 3 times 5, 15 meters. AD 4.5. So 4.5 into 5. 4.5 into 5. What's the value? That's in meters. 5 times 5, 25. 2 remaining. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. So 22.5. You have to keep one decimal place. 22.5 meters. CD is 5 centimeters. 5 into 5. 25 meters. Then AC is also 5 centimeters. 5 into 5. That's 25 meters. And we need BC. BC is 5 into 4. 20 meters. Those are the actual lengths. Exercise 28.2. A scale diagram of an equilateral triangular flower bed is drawn to the scale 1 to 100. Find the actual length indicated by 1 centimeter in the scale diagram. So 1 to 100. 1 centimeter represent 100 centimeters, or you can write divide by 100, that's 1 meter. 1 centimeter represent 1 meter. So if this is 1 centimeter length, means the actual length is 1 meter. So the answer is 1 meter. Find the actual length of a boundary of the flower bed. So what's the boundary? 2.5 centimeters. So 1 centimeter means 1 meter. So what's 2.5 centimeters? That means 2.5 meters. Find the actual perimeter of the flower bed. So what's the perimeter? This is equilateral triangle. So 2.5 into 3. 3 times 5, 15, and 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So 7.5 meters is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. A map of Sri Lanka has been drawn to the scale 1 to 50,000. 1 to 50,000 is the scale. What is the actual distance in kilometers between two towns which are 4 centimeters apart in the scale diagram? So convert first, this is centimeters, convert to meters, divide by 100. So that means 500 meters. Convert to kilometers, divide by 1000, 0.5 kilometers. Means 1 centimeter length. Now, what's 4 centimeter length? 4 centimeter length means multiply by 4. 0.5 times 4. You get 20 and put 1 decimal point. So it's 2 kilometers. So 4 centimeter means 2 kilometer distance. The figure shows a scale diagram which has been drawn based on the measurements of a playground. The scale of the drawing is 1 to 20,000. Calculate the actual length of the side PQ of the playground. So first 1 centimeter represent 20,000 centimeters. That's the scale. Convert to meters. Divide by 100. That's 200 meters. Now, you need PQ means 2 centimeters. What's 2 centimeter length represent? Multiply by 2. 400 meters. That's PQ length. How much longer is the side QR than the side PQ of the actual playground? So this is 400 meters. What is QR? QR length means 3 into 200. That's 600 meters. So what's the difference? Difference is the answer for this question. So 600 minus 400, you get 200 meter extra compared to QR and PQ. A scale diagram of a ship drawn to the scale 1 to 1000 is shown here. Find the actual length of the ship. So 1 to 1000. What it means? 1 centimeter represent 1000 centimeters. Divide by 100, you get 10 meters is 1 centimeter. Now, 6 centimeters you need. Multiply by 6. 10 into 6, 60 meter actual length. A scale diagram of a car drawn to the scale 1 to 60 is shown here. Find the actual length of the car. That's 5 centimeter length map. So, actual length. So, 1 to 60 means 1 centimeter represent 60 centimeters. And this is 1 centimeter. 5 centimeters means multiply by 5. 300 centimeters. So you can convert to meters and write this is same as divide by 100, 3 meters. Find the actual diameter of a wheel of the car. Actual diameter. So the radius is 0.4. So what's the diameter? Multiply by 2. So diameter is 2 times 0.4. That means 0.8 centimeter. That's the scale. Now actual diameter is what? So this is 1 centimeter represent 60. So 60 times 0.8. This is 0 and 8 times 6, 400. 48, 480 altogether. Keep 1 decimal point. So 48 centimeters is the actual diameter. Find the actual breadth of a door. That's here 1 centimeter. So you have to multiply by 60. Actual breadth. 1 centimeter here. So 1 centimeter means that's 60. So 60 centimeters is the actual breadth of the door. A scale diagram of an insect drawn to the scale 1 to 0.25 is given in the figure. Find the actual lengths represented by the lengths in the scale diagram. 0.5. So this is the scale length. So we need actual lengths. It's smaller. So we'll take other way around. So 1 centimeter actual, this is scale drawing, represent 0.25 centimeters. This is 0.5 now. 0.5 centimeter means 0.25 multiplied by 0.5. So 5 times 5, 25, 2 remaining. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 1, 2, 3. 3 places you have to keep. So that means 0.125 centimeters, or you can convert to millimeters now. Multiply by 10, 1.25 millimeter length. Then the other one, 1.5 centimeter means 0.25 multiplied by 1.5. So 25 times 15. 10 and 5. 5 times 5, 25. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. 375 means how many decimal places? 3. 1, 2, 3. 0.375 centimeters. When you multiply by 10, you get 3.75 millimeters. Those are the two measurements. Exercise 28.3. Draw scale diagrams of each of the figures given in the following sketches to the given scale. 1 to 10. 1 to 10 means 1 centimeter represent 10 centimeters. So 30 centimeters means 30 centimeter here. 30 centimeter means you have to divide by 10. So you need 3 centimeter length. 50 centimeter means you need divide by 10, 5 centimeter length. And 40 centimeters means divide by 10, that's 4 centimeter length. So you need 3, 5, 4 lengths to draw the scale diagram. So we'll try to draw it. Now take the ruler and you need 5 centimeter length. So you can take the ruler and measure 5 centimeter length here. That's 5 centimeter length. So that's for 50. Or you can take 3 centimeter length and the other side 5. We'll draw as it is. So take here this side, that's 3 centimeter length. So here we'll take from here 3 centimeter length. This one. Then you need the set square to draw the, we'll take this way, 90-degree angle because this is 90 degree. This is 90 degrees. Now we need 40 centimeters means 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters from here. This line up to here and then here to here 5 centimeters. So here 50 means 5. So when you connect it, automatically you get 5, but we'll check it with the compass whether it's exactly 5 centimeter length. See whether when you take this one, this point, and exactly this point is correct. So that means you can mark it here. So this here to here, that's 5 centimeters. So you can mark it to this point. So this is the triangle A, B, C, and this is 5 centimeter length, this is 4 centimeters, and this is 3 centimeter length. So this is the scale diagram. This one, 1 to 100. 1 centimeter means 100 centimeters. That means divide by 100, that's 1 meter. Now we need 8 meters. 8 meters means 8 centimeters. 7 meters means 7 centimeters. And 6 meter means 6 centimeters. So those are the scale measurements. Now we can draw the diagram. So draw this one using the ruler first. Ruler, and we can take 8 centimeter length. Here to here, 8 centimeter length. Then you can take the set square and this is 90-degree angle, 6 centimeters. So here to here 6 centimeters, this point. Now again you need 90-degree angle. So we'll take the set square, and now to this point we need to draw 90-degree angle. So what's the length now? 7 meters means 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters to this side, up to here. Now I think okay, so you can connect this end to this end. Then this is 90 degrees and this is 90 PQRS, and we took this one 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters and 7 centimeters. So those are the scale measurements. So that's a trapezium. This diagram, 1 to 1000. 1 centimeter represents 1000 centimeters. Divide by 100, that means 10 meters. So we'll convert all these measurements. 50 meters means divide by 10, that's 5 centimeter length we have to take. 30 meters means 3 centimeters. 40 meters means 4 centimeters. Those are the scale measurements. Now we'll draw the diagram. So take the ruler and we can first draw this 5 centimeter length. So here to here 5 centimeters. And then we have to take the set square and draw ON. ON means what's the length? 30. 30 means 3 centimeters. So here to here 3 centimeter length. Now again we have to draw another perpendicular line to this point. Three centimeters again. So here to here 3 centimeters. Now these two lines are okay. Now how we measure this one? You need the protractor. You need not the protractor, you need the compass. So we need to measure 4 centimeter length from the compass because you have to draw 2 arcs. So 4 centimeter length, we take 4 centimeter length and you keep the compass on top of this point. You can draw an arc in the middle and also keep the same distance because 40, 40 and draw the other arc. So the intersecting point is the K point. So this is K and this is O, N, M, L. We can connect these 2 points here to here and here to here. So mark these as 90 degrees and these 2 lengths are equal and these 2 lengths are equal. I can write this is 5 centimeter length, This is 3 centimeters and this is 4 centimeter length. So this is the scale diagram. This diagram 1 to 2000 scale. So 1 centimeter represent 2000 centimeters. Divide by 100, you get 20 meters, means 1 centimeter. Now we can find out all the lengths. 100 meters means 100 divided by 20, that's 5 centimeters. 80 meters means 80 divided by 20, that's 4 centimeters. We need 60 meters. 60 divided by 20 means 3 centimeters. I'll put arrows here. And what's the other length we need? 80, 60, 40. 40 meters means 40 divided by 20, that's 2 centimeter length. Now we can draw the scale diagram. So take the ruler and we can first draw the 100 meters. 100 meters means 5 centimeter length. So 5 centimeter length here to here. Then you need to draw 2 perpendicular lines. For that you take the set square. So you keep here on top of the line properly. Now you can measure 4 centimeters. 8 meters means 4 centimeter length. Here to here. And again, other way around, you can take another 4 centimeter length. So keep it here. Now draw the 4 centimeter length from here to here. Then you need again the set square, that's 90 degrees. So here turn this other way around. And now you need to draw 4 centimeter length from here. 2 centimeters from here. And we'll measure from here also 2 centimeters to this side. 1, 2. Here to here. Now you have to draw the point. Now 60 meters means 3 centimeter length. For that we need the compass. So we can measure 3 centimeter length. And you keep the compass on top of this point and you can draw the arc here and also keep it on top of this point and draw the arc. So the intersecting point becomes the F point. Now you can connect all the points with the ruler. So here to here and here to here. So you get all these points now. This is 90, 90, 90, 90. This is 80 means 4 centimeter length. 100 means 5 centimeter length. And these two are equal. That's 3 centimeters. And these two are equal. That's 2 centimeters. So this is the scale diagram. So we'll label it. We need to label D. So what's the point? D, E, G, H, I, J, and this is F. So this is the completed scale diagram. Now we'll look at the miscellaneous exercise. A scale diagram of a side wall of a building is shown in the figure. It has been drawn to the scale 1 to 600. Find the actual breadth of the wall. So 1 to 600. 1 centimeter represents 600 centimeters means you can divide by 100 and write 6 meters. Now what's the breadth? Breadth of the wall? You get this one. So this is the height. This is a scale diagram side wall. So breadth means 2.7 centimeters. So 2.7 centimeters means 6 into 2.7. 6 times 7, 42, 4 remaining. 6 times 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. So 16.2 meters is the breadth, actual breadth. Calculate the distance to the top of the building from ground level here to here. 4.5 centimeters. So 4.5 centimeters means multiply by 6. 6 times 5, 30. 3 remaining. 6 times 4, 24 plus 3, 27. So 27.0. 1 decimal place. So 27 meters here to the top. It cost 45 rupees to paint 1 square meter of the wall. Find the total cost of painting one side of the wall completely. So we need to find out the area. Area of the side wall here. So we'll divide these into 2 parts. So what's the area of EBCD part? So 3 centimeter, 2.7. So you get 2.7 we converted, that's 16.2 meters. And what about 3 centimeters means? 3 times 6, 18. 18 meters this way. So multiply these two. 16.2, 18. 10 and 8. 2, 6, 1. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 6, 48 plus 1. 8 times 2, 16. 1 remaining. 8 times 6, 48 plus 1, 49. 4 remaining. 8 times 1, 8 plus 4, 12. So how many decimal place? 1. 291.6. This is square meters. Then you need to find out the area. You need to find out the area of ABE triangle. So how you find out the triangle area? Half times base. Base is 2.7 means 16.2. And what's this height? The whole thing is 27. And this is 18 up to this one. So 27 minus 18. You get 9 here. So that's 9. So 9. Now you can find out the area of the triangle. So 2 times 8 and 2 times 1. So 9 times 1, 9. 9 times 8, 72. So 72.9 square meters. So the total area you can add it to 291.6 plus 72.9 square meters. Add it together. 9 plus 6, 5. 1 remaining. So 2, 3, 4. And 9 plus 7, 16. 1 remaining. That's 3. So square meters. 364.5. Check it again. 9 plus 6, 15. And 1 remaining, 4. And 9 plus 7, 16. And 1. So that's correct. So this is the total area. So 1 square meter is 45 rupees. So the cost is, you multiply this by 45. So 364.5 multiplied by 45. 1 square meter is 45 rupees. So multiply. So 364.5 multiplied by 45. 40 and 5. 4 times 5, 20. 2 remaining. 4 times 4, 16 plus 2, 18. 1 remaining. 4 times 6, 24 plus 1, 25. 2 remaining. 4 times 3, 12 plus 2, 14. 5 times 5, 25. 2 remaining. 5 times 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 2 remaining. 5 times 6, 30. 30 plus 2, 32. 3 remaining. 5 times 3, 15 plus 3, 18. Now add it. So 1 remaining here, and then take it to this side. 5 plus 1, 6. So you get how many decimal places we have to keep? Only 1 decimal place. So that's here. So this is 16,402 and 50 cents. 50. So the cost, the total cost is 16,402 rupees and 50 cents. Draw a scale diagrams of each of the figures given in the following sketches to the given scale. So 1 to 200. 1 centimeter represent 200 centimeters. So that means this is divided by 100, 2 meters. So what about 8 meters? Divide by 2. So that means 4 centimeters. 10 meter length. 10 divided by 2. 5 centimeter length. So you need those measurements. So take the ruler and you need to measure first 5 centimeter. You need to measure first 4 centimeter length. So we'll take 4 centimeter length here to here. Then you need the protractor because this is a triangle. What's the measurement? 10 meters means 5 centimeter length. 5 centimeter length, and then you keep the compass on top of this point and draw the point here, and also keep it here on this point and draw the other arc. So now we have the K point here, and you can connect it with the ruler here to here and here to here. So now we have the scale drawing. These two lengths are equal with 5 centimeter length and this is 4 centimeter length, KLM triangle. This diagram 1 to 10,000 scale. So what is 1 to 10,000 means? 1 centimeter represent 10,000 centimeters. Divide by 100, that means 100 meters. So 100 meters means 1 centimeter. So we need measurements 500 meters. That means divide by 100. 5 centimeter, 600 meter length we need. That means 6 centimeters. So those are the measurements we need. So we can first draw 600 meter length. That means 6 centimeters. So you take the ruler. So we'll draw OQ line first. 6 centimeter length. So this is 6 centimeter length. Then what you do, you take the set square, and we need to draw the perpendicular lines. So here, keep it here and draw the perpendicular line. What's the height here? 6 meters again. That means 6 centimeters. So here to here, 6 centimeters. And then again, we need to draw the 6 centimeter length to this as well, to this point. So here 6 centimeter, here to here. Now we have 2 perpendicular lines. Now we know the 2 points. You can draw the other 2 points, M and P. What's the distance there? 500 meters means 5 centimeter. We need the compass now. Measure 5 centimeter length using the compass, and we can keep on top of this point, and you can mark the arc in between, and also keep the compass here and draw the other arc. So that's M point. Do the same thing here. You keep on top of this point and draw the arc in the middle, and here keep on top of this point and continue the other arc. Now we have both the points. You can connect with the ruler. So here to here and here to here and here to here, here to here. So you don't need actually the line here. You can make it broken line. First we'll mark it M, L, N, O, Q, P. These lengths are equal. This is also same. And you can write this is 5 centimeter length. This is, all these lengths are equal here. Here we can draw a line here like this. That's also same. All sides are equal. That's 600 meters means 6 centimeters. You can erase some of the lines here just to make sure that it's a broken line. And if you want a good line here, you can do the same thing. I'll erase these lines first. and make a broken line from here to here. It's a broken line. So this is the completed diagram. So we completed all theory related to scale diagrams. The scale of a scale diagram indicates the actual length that is represented by a unit length in the scale diagram. This scale is often given as a ratio. For every rectilinear plane figure, a figure drawn to represent the shape of the original figure is called a sketch. And when a rectilinear plane figure is drawn such that every measurement of length is increased or decreased by the same ratio, the drawn figure is called a scale diagram of the given figure. So now you know, if you know the scale, how to draw scale diagrams. Sometimes smaller ones to a bigger one or bigger diagrams to a smaller scale.